Are you a
Hey
beginner
guys, are you a
in
beginner
Animal
and do you want to
Company?
make some money
And you want to
quickly?
make some money
Who
fast?
do you think you are?
Who do you think
Alright,
you
so
are? This is some snack.
alright, so
We're
this,
gonna teach you
yeah,
how
and
to
this is
do it
Yummy
the
View,
fastest
and we're gonna teach you how to
ways
make money fast.
possible.
This method helped us.
Okay,
Alright,
follow me.
so what you're gonna
So
need is
basically, you start off with 5
all the basic
resource
items.
points.
So the backpack, the flashlight.
You start off with 5
and-
resource points. You go into the VR headset. Oh, get the darts out of the face. You go here, you buy the dynamite, then you move over to this, then buy this so then you can start mining.
So what you wanna do is you wanna get the dynamite.
I recommend this, right? Oh, I have 2 resource points, but not now. You buy this, you could also buy that, right? But like, if you don't have enough bolts, so start selling random stuff from random people asking for free stuff.
Anyways,
Then what? You have to get the flashlight, and then get the baggie.
alright, so
Put it
then
there.
you wanna go to.
I would go to mines, right? What? I would probably go to mines.
Over to mines as quick as you can.
Yeah, what he said. Now be careful of the spider. You could use this.
Yep, there's Spider-Man there.
Or mimics, right? But if you're too scared to go in, these spawn out there. But I can spawn there.
These aren't the
You could
best.
get bots, right? These are not the best money method though. I'd rather serve raw gold. So you will go over here, right? Okay, so basically, if you want, you can mine these, but I'm not gonna. I just want to show you where the good stuff are. So you're gonna have to go through this specific route to this area. You're gonna have to go here. Look, you could see this. You could only resource that, right? Like this. See, look, I just on one. Now I got 3 resource points. Or you could keep on mining and probably you get lucky if you get resource points. But you mainly get resource points on rarer ones, like gold. Yeah, look, gold or silver. I'm actually waiting. Oh no. Don't let this happen to you where your thing almost falls. Didn't got anything for that? Yeah, they keep on falling from me. But yeah, but if you wanna, but make sure to be sensitive. Oh, I got some company coins. You got that, and you also get bots for mining it, or you could sell them on the black market. You know what? You could. There's small areas where you could get. No. Oh. No. Oh no. Oh no. Wait. Let me just. I'm gonna have to go back up here. Wait, oh no. I don't know. Sam. Hi, you good?
Yeah, I'm okay. I just have to restart, but you don't have to. I'm just gonna.
Okay.
Alright.
You could come up here, right? Get your. I think I've lost my crowbar. Okay, so make sure to not lose. Yeah. I crawl about. Oh, wait, there. Uh-huh. Okay, yeah, so basically you go like this again. Remember not to let it fall like how I did. I keep on getting... No, 9. Don't worry.
Yo, are you okay?
No, I'm not okay. The spider. He found me. Yeah, so make sure the spider doesn't find me. I'm just gonna keep on moving. You try your best to keep on mining those, because those have one of the most chances of getting resource points that helps you out getting more stuff to help you go max off. This ain't break. Oh, that had a... Oh, that's better for this. Yeah, so now if you're lucky enough, you could get a pickaxe from that. But this is also how mine is. Even though I'm just doing this for... If you keep on doing this, you'll get loads and resource points and probably even company coins. I recommend it because it's really fun. Oh, smart gold. Gold has loads. If you want loads of company coins on she should. This is actually a good method. No, forget about getting it by selling. Just keep on doing these. It's actually going back. So just get the cheapest stuff. And yeah, just be on your way. Cause what? You could just keep on doing it. And probably even find better stuff. Or if you want. It's Armstrong. Yeah, so basically oh, what's this? Yeah, I'm actually kind of scared now.
Help!
You good?
Help!
Oh. That's the way on. I might take some more. Where you at?
I don't know. Don't suspect each other.
Okay.
Alright. Wait, are you in that one cave?
I'm miles away. Oh. I still have a shotgun actually. No. If you want, you could mine these. Like, bro, not even selling these. I gained way more than I had before I left. Then what, if you want to leave, you could go. And then, boom, you're back. Wait, what? Wait! Ducks! What? Not ducks anymore, Sham. Sham, behind you!
Yes? Hello.
Yeah, I just found my way out. Then what? With all the stuff you found on the way? Yeah, I got 2 stuff because I was only bothered to grab. You know what? I'm gonna put these into my shotty. Wait, Sham, where are you? Sham, where are you? Sham, repeat, where are you?
I am in the caves right now.
Come back to the start. I have a gift for you.
Repeat.
Come here. I have a gift for you.
Just jumped right at me.
I hear you. I have a
Spider
gift.
just jumped right at me.
I hear you. This is for America.
I repeat, I killed the spider.
What area are you at? Oh, there you are.
I need a.
Can I
That's how you make money fast. This is karma for what I've done. Yo, Sham. I think Sham.
This stick right here.
Yep.
So, how did you like my surprise?
It was pretty goofy. Anyways,
Yeah, basically,
gonna
so
go
if you
over
unlock that
and mine over
crowbar, you would actually be gold
anyways,
for
the reason
days.
I'm with Yami VR is because
And yeah. Do you want me? Well, I'm gonna go mining again. I love mining.
Yeah, I'm going.
With random stuff I find.
I'm going right.
I made 180 company coins. I only had 70. Made 110 from just mining. Yeah, so if I could keep on doing that for like around 10 days, I will have 1,000. Unless, well, this hasn't even been a full day. I'm not even going to collect anything. I'm just going to use it for company coins
right now.
and resources. Now I'm going to need to go to the gold area.
What
That's
I do is just break these, and then
yeah, just keep on mining.
got my backpack.
That's how you do it, basically. And then what? Remember what I told you guys? If you come down here, don't drop anything. Oh wait, I want to go there. At least one. Yeah.
Hello.
Hello.
Colgate. Guess what?
What?
You said gold in that machine, and I can sell it right now if I want to.
Do it.
You sure?
Yeah.
Alright.
Why he doesn't know that I would also get gold as well.
What you didn't know is that I'm disposing of it and not selling Because
Oh yeah. Hope you die.
you are yapping about.
How does he know? How does he? Come on, go please. I feel buzzing.
Because you're not really that cool. I'm sorry.
But I wonder how much money I have people.
Little does he know in the box.
Just
Sneak up on him, guys.
And then what? I'm back at spawn. And yeah, that's gonna be the end of the vid, guys. Bye.